Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Start with the basics for truly delicious pasta. In this video, I will explain how to make pasta yummy. First, use a large pot and plenty of water, about 4 to 6 quarts for 1 pound of pasta. This allows the pasta to move freely and cook evenly. Don't forget to generously salt your water. About 1 tablespoon of salt per gallon will season the pasta from the inside out. Cook until it's al dente, meaning it still has a slight bite. Once your pasta is cooked, it's time to elevate its flavor. Always reserve about 1 cup of the starchy pasta water before draining. This liquid is gold for your sauce, helping it emulsify and cling beautifully to the pasta. Finish cooking your pasta for the last minute or two directly in the sauce. This allows the pasta to absorb the sauce's flavors, making every bite more delicious. Fresh herbs added at the very end brighten the dish. The right sauce and toppings can transform your pasta. Consider the shape of your pasta when choosing a sauce. Delicate sauces pair well with thin pasta, while robust sauces suit heartier shapes. Freshly grated Parmesan cheese is a must for most pasta dishes, adding a salty, umami depth. A final drizzle of high-quality extra virgin olive oil just before serving enhances the richness and aroma. These small touches make a big difference. Don't be afraid to get creative with your pasta dishes. Roasted vegetables like cherry tomatoes, bell peppers, or zucchini add wonderful texture and nutrients. A squeeze of fresh lemon juice at the end can cut through richness and add a surprising brightness to your dish. For those who love meal prepping, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Enjoy experimenting and making your pasta truly yummy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.